I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
Watch this video to learn how to set up Gocardless online payments in Xero. To complete the Gocardless setup process, you need the advisor or standard user role in Xero. To create a Gocardless account and connect it to Xero, select Sales, then click Online Payments. Then click Recurring Payment and click Add a Gocardless account to get started. Read the pop-up box to learn about pricing and when to expect payouts from Gocardless, which might vary in your region. If you already have a Gocardless account, click I have a Gocardless account. If you don't have one, click Sign up to Gocardless to create a new account. Xero directs you to the Gocardless connection page. Enter your business details, email address, phone number, and a strong password. Then, tick the box to agree to the Gocardless terms and conditions. Click Sign Up. Next, click Complete Gocardless Setup. Now, select the bank accounts you want to receive Gocardless payments into. All bank accounts you've added to Xero show up here. Click Continue. Select an expense account to categorize transaction fees from Gocardless payments. Select an existing account, or, if you need to, add a new account in your chart of accounts. Once the correct account is selected for fees, click Continue. Gocardless needs to verify your organization before you can begin invoicing and collecting payments from your customers. Click Verify Account and follow the setup prompts. This might take a few business days. Check the Online Payments page later to see whether verification has been completed. Click the Connected Services tab to manage your Gocardless account. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start invoicing your customers with Xero and Gocardless to accept direct payments. When a customer receives an invoice with Gocardless as the payment option, they'll see a Pay Now button. The Gocardless Direct Debit Authorization form prompts them to enter their details. When they click Set up Direct Debit Authorization, the customer sees a summary of the direct debit authorization and clicks Confirm to accept the direct debit.